Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, children, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, division chapter. In our last class, we had already completed chapter 5, multiplication, na? And we were doing word problems. So 2 questions I gave you homework. I hope you have done. So those 2 questions solution, children, I will send along with the attachment. Okay, you will open the attachment and you will just take your solution. If you have done wrong, then you will do the needful correction. Okay, and if you have made it correct, then you just put there a small tick. Okay, now children, today we will start chapter 6, that is division chapter. Let's start. Division means equal sharing. Means whenever we distribute anything equally among children or among ourselves, so we use their division, and you know the sign of division. So I will make it clear with an example. So let us distribute 12 bananas equally among 4 boys. Now here you may see I have made here 4 smileys. Okay, and each smiley represent the first boy, second boy, third boy and the fourth boy. Now from this bunch, we will give one banana to each boy. So the first child will get 1 banana, second child will get 1 banana, third child will get 1 banana and fourth child will get 1 banana. So out of 12, we have already distributed 4 bananas and now we are left with 8 bananas. Now children, out of these 8, we are again distributing one more bananas to each boy. So the first child will have now 2 bananas, second child again 2 bananas, third child again 2 bananas and fourth child again 2 bananas. Now out of 8, we have distributed one more. So we have distributed 4 bananas. So now we are having 4 bananas left. Now these 4 bananas we will again distribute among those 4 children. So we will give them one again. So now from this bunch, we will give one more banana to each boy. The first child will have now 3 bananas. Second child will have 3 bananas. Third child again 3 bananas. And the fourth one will also have 3 bananas. So all those 4 we have distributed. Now no banana left with us. So each boy is getting 3 bananas. So you can see here, we had 12 bananas and we have distributed those 12 bananas among, yes, 4 children, no. So what we will do? We are doing here, yes, division. So those 12 we are distributing among 4 children. So we are using here the division. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So 12 bananas we were distributing among 4 children and each child is getting 3 bananas. So we may read it as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And we write it as 12. This is the symbol of division. 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Okay. So whenever we distribute anything equally, whenever we are sharing anything equally, so in that case we do the division. Okay. Now children, there are some facts. The symbol, this stands for division. Okay. In the division sum, suppose 12 divided by 4 equals to 3 na. So this 12 we call it dividend. We are dividing by 4. So this 4 is called the divisor. And we are getting the answer 3. So 3 is known as quotient. Okay. Thus, in a division sum, the number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. And the answer obtained on division is called the quotient. Just remember this. Now children, we are going to recall our division. You had already done in standard 2, but we will recall it. I am just starting the page number 133. Divide the following by using repeated subtraction method. Okay. I think you remember repeated subtraction, but again we will do this. So there is a question 30 divided by 5 and you have to divide it by using repeated subtraction method. Okay. So what we will do? If you remember, yes, we just subtract this 5 again and again. So first of all, we will do 30 minus 5. Let's see. Yes, we are doing 30 minus 5, and what we are getting? 30 minus 5, 25. On the first step, we are getting the answer 25. Now from this 25, again we will subtract 5. So 20 minus 5, 20. In second step, we are getting 20. Now again we will subtract this 20 minus 5. What we are? Yes, 20 minus 5, 15. Again 15 minus 5, 10. We have to subtract until we get 0. Okay. So again we will subtract 5 from this 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Again this 5 minus 5 is 0. So finally we are getting here 0, no? So you see, count the number of steps. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step and sixth step. So after sixth step we are getting it 0. So our answer will be this 6. Number of steps you have to count, and the last step is the answer. So on sixth step we are getting it 0 now. So our answer will be 6. So 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. I think you remember it. Yes, just recall the things. You have to subtract every time this minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, because we are dividing by 5. So we are subtracting 5. Okay. Now children, just remember the next. Divide the following on number line. So you have to divide 14 by 2, 14 divided by 2, and you have to divide it on number line. So first of all, you need to draw here a number line. Okay, I am drawing. Yes, I have drawn here a number line, and you have to mark here numbers. Suppose I have marked here till 0 to 20. Now children, you have to start from 0, and we will jump 2 steps on the number line. Okay, start from 0, and you have to jump 2 steps. Okay, until you reach this 14. You have to reach to 14. So unless you reach to 14, you will have 2 jumps of 2. So let's start from 0. So when we jump from 0, 2 steps, so we will reach to, yes, 2. Again from this 2, you again take a jump of 2 now. So after 2 we are reaching at, tell me, yes, 4. And then from 4 we will reach to 6. And now from 6 we will reach, take 2 steps, 8. After 8, 10. After 10, 12. After 12, 14. Now you may see we are reaching at 14, no? So you have to reach to 14. And these jumps you have to show. See, I am making it. Yes. So now we have reached to 14. So now you have to count this number of jumps. Okay. How many jumps you have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 jumps, no? So when we divide on number line, 14 divided by 2, our answer will be, yes, 7. So 14 divided by 2, answer is 7. So this is the division on number line. Okay. Now children, we are going to do the division now. Divide and find the quotient and the remainder, and you have to check your answer also. So children, I have taken here the first question of the exercise 6.1. Question number A. Divide 57 by 5. Okay. So you have to divide 57 by 5. So you have to read the table of 5. Okay, all of you read. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So you have to read this table. You can write also in the rough column. It will be easier. So now 57 by 5. So we will write in the symbol like that, 57 divided by 5. Now let's start. We will make here a division sign. You remember, no? Yes. So we are writing this dividend 57 inside the bracket and this 5 you write here. This is your dividend and this 5 is your divisor. Okay. So divisor you will write here outside and this dividend 57 you will write inside. Now children, start division from this one 5. No. Now you have to read the table of 5 and you have to get this 5. Okay. Now you read the table of 5. If you get 5 then okay. Otherwise the nearest number you have to get. So let's start the table. So children, look at here. Here you have to divide 5 with this 5. Okay. So you have to read the table of 5 and you have to get this 5. Now let's see here the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So you have to find out this 5 or less than this 5. But you may see we are getting here 5 now. We are getting here 5. Yes. So this 5 table 5 comes. In how many times you are getting 5? 1 time. Okay. So you apply here 5 ones are 5. Clear? So we write here 5 1 times 5. So write. Yes. 5 ones are 5. And then you will do here subtraction. So 5 minus 5 is 0. And now we will carry this 7. So we will mark here a arrow sign and then we will carry this 7. So what we will have? This 7. Now children, we have to divide this 7. So now you will read the table of this 5 and then you have to get this 7. If you get 7, okay. And if you don't get 7, then you have to get the number just nearest to this 7. Lesser than 7 and the nearest to the 7. 7 se theek chota which number is coming. Okay. So read the table of 5 and you have to get this 7. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Okay. 10 is more than this 7. No. So we cannot apply here 10. No. So we will apply 5 ones are 5. Clear? So we will write again here 5 ones are 5. Okay. So we are writing here 5 ones are, right here 5. And now this 7 minus 5 you do. What you are getting 7 minus 5? Yes, 2. Right here 2. Now children, there is no more digit. No. No more digits. So our division stop. Okay. Now this 11 is called the, yes, quotient. And this 2 is called the remainder. So our quotient is 11 and 2 is the remainder. Clear, no? So you write here, mention quotient and remainder. Now it's time to check your division, whether your division is correct or not. So you will just check it just beside. Yes. I am writing here. For checking, there is a formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means you will multiply divisor and quotient and then you add with the remainder. If you get the dividend, means your answer is correct. Your division is correct. Okay, I will show you. So you have to multiply divisor and quotient. So tell me which is the divisor? 5. And which is the quotient? 11. So you have to multiply this 5 and 11. Okay. So you multiply 5 and 11 and then you add this remainder. Which is the remainder? 2. So you will multiply 5 and 11 and then you will add there 2. So tell me 11 5s are? Yes, 11 5s are 55. And then you add this 2 plus 2. What you are getting? 55 plus 2? 57. Okay. Is it our dividend? Just check it. Is it our dividend? Yes. 57 was our dividend. No. You are getting the same number 57 57. So our division is correct. So you write here checked. Okay. This formula you need to write. Clear? You have to multiply divisor and quotient and remainder you will add. I am solving the next one more question, children. It will be more clear. Just take the second question. Question number. You have to divide 96 by 6 and you have to check your division also. Okay. Write in symbol 96 divided by 6. Now again make here a symbol, no? And then you write the divisor, the bracket and the dividend inside this symbol. Now children, again you start, read the table of 6. You have to get this 9. And if you don't get 9 in the table of 6, you have to get the nearest number to 9, which will be just lesser than 9 and the nearest number. 9 से छोटा ठीक उसके नजदीक का number. Okay. Now read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. Can you apply here 12? No, na? Because 12 is more than this 9. So we cannot apply 6 twos are 12. So you need to apply 6 ones are 6. Okay. 6 is lesser than this 9. So you will apply 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12 you cannot apply. Because 12 is more than 9. Okay. So 6 ones are 6. So you write here 1. In how many times you are getting? 1 time. No. So write here number of times. 6 ones are 6. Yes. 6 ones are 6. Now you subtract here 9 minus 6. What you are getting? 3. Okay. Now in our next step, you need to carry this 6. So I will mark here one arrow sign and you will carry this 6. So what is this? Yes, 3 and this 6 you are carrying 36. Now 6 table 36. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36. Very good. So 6 six are, you are getting the 36. So apply here 36. 6 6 are 36. Clear? Now again you subtract 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 3 0. So which is your quotient? 16 and remainder 0. Clear? Mention it. Quotient 16, remainder 0. Now it's time to check, children. Write here the formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what will you do? You will multiply divisor and quotient and then you will plus this remainder. So you have to find divisor and quotient and then you will multiply. Now look at your division. Divisor is 6. Quotient is 16. So we will multiply 6 and 16. Clear? You will multiply 6 and 16. And this remainder, which is the remainder? 0. So this 0 you will add. Okay? So you will multiply 6 and 16 and this 0 you will add. Right here, 6 multiplied by 16 plus 0. Now you multiply here 16 and 6. 6 into 16. So you can write here 16 into 6 and then you can do here multiplication. Tell me 6 6 are 36. Write here 6. Carry 3. 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. So you are getting 96. Now this remainder 0 you add here. Remainder is 0. No. Look at here. Remainder is 0. So you add here 0. So 96 plus 0 is 96. Very good. Okay. Now tell me, are you getting the same dividend? Yes. Just check it. Are you getting the same dividend? Yes. Here is 96, no? And here also finally we are getting 96. So both are same. So we are getting the same dividend. So our division is correct. So you write here checked. Okay. So you have to divide here and you have to check it here. Okay. You will just draw a line in your page as I have drawn. And then you one side do the division and second side you do the checking. I hope you are getting, children. So these two checkings you will note down in your copy and I am giving you 2 more questions to solve by your own. Try to do that. Okay. So your assignment, children, you have to solve page 133. Question number 1, that is division by repeated subtraction. You will solve C number and D number. Now question number 3, divide on number line. So you have to do question number C and question number D again in your copy. And this exercise 6.1, that is division. So question number 1, A and B I have done. So you will just copy it and try to understand it. And this C and D you try to do by your own. Okay. You may take help of your elders also, parents also, but you try to do by your own. And these solutions C and D again we will discuss in our next video. Till then children, take care, be safe at home. Thank you children. Have a nice day.